4M launches the brand new version of Fine ELEC 19, standalone software platform. Fine ELEC belongs to the 4M BIM suite of software for architecture and engineering. Fine ELEC combines an AutoCAD-like look and feel and an advanced BIM technology engine that'll help you to draw your project's networks, optimize your workflow and boost your productivity. The software performs automatically all the necessary calculations directly from the drawings, producing thus all the case study results, such as detailed calculation issue, technical descriptions, full-scale drawings and single-line panel diagrams. In addition, it is very important that the calculations are performed in compliance with all the widely known standards, such as IX 60364, HD 384, BS 7671 and D. Despite its numerous capabilities, Fine ELEC has been designed in order to be easy to learn and user-friendly, providing an essential engineering toolbox for everyone. Let's watch a quick overview of this software in a simple project. The first step is to place receptors, sockets, switches, panels and light fixtures, one by one, or in a grid. It has provided a wide range of 3D blocks in the library. The next step is to draw the horizontal and vertical cablings from and to the panels, using the manual or automatic connection function. The last step is the definition of supply point and the execution of network recognition command before we proceed to calculation module. Calculation environment acquires automatically the data directly from the drawing and performs calculations, displaying in each row the calculation of the cable cross-section and protective device. On this frame, software generates several technical reports, simulation results, bill of material, etc. Update drawing is used for the automatic updating of the ground plan's views with the required information from the calculations. Several new functions and capabilities, such as clash detection, real-time rendering and new 3D blocks libraries are provided.